Welcome to this in-depth guide to 1inch, the most powerful decentralized exchange aggregator in the DeFi space. 1inch is revolutionizing crypto trading by seamlessly scanning multiple DEX platforms to find the best prices, ensuring users get the maximum value for their trades. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a beginner exploring DeFi, 1inch simplifies the complex process of price comparison and fee optimization. The homepage of 1inch greets you with a clean interface that displays all the essential tools for trading. You'll find an intuitive search bar where you can input the token pair you want to swap. As you enter your desired pair, 1inch's algorithm analyzes dozens of liquidity pools and presents the best possible trading route. It even breaks down the gas fees and any potential slippage to help you make informed decisions. Once you've chosen a trading pair, connect your crypto wallet. Supported wallets include MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and others widely used in the crypto ecosystem. Simply click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the screen and authorize access. With your wallet connected, you're ready to execute trades directly on the platform. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. On 1inch, trades can be further optimized by adjusting the settings for gas prices and slippage tolerance. For instance, if you're in a rush, you can opt for higher gas fees to speed up your transaction. Alternatively, for a more cost-effective trade, you can set a higher slippage tolerance during periods of market volatility. Another exciting feature of 1inch is its liquidity mining opportunities. Users can stake specific tokens and earn rewards directly on the platform. Navigate to the Pools section, select a pool that matches your preferred token pair, and deposit your assets to start earning. Security is a top priority at 1inch. The platform employs cutting-edge algorithms and smart contract audits to ensure user funds remain safe. Plus, it's entirely non-custodial, meaning your funds stay in your control at all times. Don't miss out on the incredible opportunities 1inch offers to improve your crypto trading experience. Click the link in the description to sign up and unlock your bonus as a new user. And while you're here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video to stay updated on the latest in crypto trading and DeFi tools.